Have a look at these new Tesla door sill protectors for both the Model 3 and Model Y. These LED illuminated plates offer an exceptional enhancing look when you enter into your Tesla. My name is Evan and welcome back to my channel. These plates were sent out to me from a company called Hansshow, which offers a good amount of Tesla accessories on their website. The kit comes with a set of 4 door sills, while Tesla.com only offers this for the 2 front passenger doors. From Hansshow you can choose either of the colors, silver or black, and you may be asking yourself, how is this powered? Well, just like the OEM Tesla door sill kit, these are using battery power, which is activated by this magnetic control switch. The magnet will stick right on top of the bottom of the door frame, which I will show you here in a moment. According to Hansshow, the battery for each door sill will last about 3 years, and yes, if you need to, you can pop off the door sill again to change out the batteries. You will just need another set of adhesive tape. The stainless steel top feels very high quality, which is also waterproof and easy to wipe clean. To install these, first use the included alcohol wipe to remove any contaminants on top of your old Tesla door sill plate. These new Hansshow pieces go right over the top of your current Tesla door sill protectors. There is no need to heat up and remove the old Tesla plate as shown from Tesla's website. After wiping down the panel, simply just remove the plastic backing from both the adhesive sections, align the protector directly on top of the original Tesla plate, and then firmly push down on both ends for about a good 20 to 30 seconds. Once installed, take one of the O-rings included in the kit and place it upside down, so sticky side up directly around the foam dot. Then close your door and reopen it again. The foam ring should be gone now and stuck to the bottom of your door. We are now going to place the magnet that was stuck on the top of the door sill to the bottom of the door directly in the center of the ring. Remove the plastic protection backing on the door sill and close your door and reopen it again to see the illumination. You may need to wipe it clean after removing the plastic backing, as there was a couple smudges on my Hansshow door plate. So as you saw, installation is quite the breeze for the front passenger doors. Now let's install the rear passenger door plate. We are going to follow the same process as we did with the front door, however there are no Tesla door sill plates in the passenger rear section. With the adhesive backing still on the plate, be sure to find the right spot on the door sill to where the plate will not bow up or have any difficulty adhering to the frame of the Tesla. You could certainly use some painter's tape to line up the door sill before applying if you choose. Remove the adhesive backing on both sections of the plate, then align, and again firmly press down for about 30 seconds. Use another foam ring again to place the sticky side up over the foam dot. Close the door and then apply the small magnet directly in the center of that O-ring under the door. After I got all 4 of these installed, I was really happy with the way they looked. It just adds that nice pop to the car. And when completely in the dark, adjacent to my Tesla logo puddle lights, we can see just how bright and crisp the letters are. One thing I'd like to point out real quick is that to save on the battery, these lights will auto shut off after about 15 seconds should you leave the door open. Again, according to Hansshow, these should last about 3 years before the batteries need to be replaced. I'll keep you guys updated on this in the comments below. I'll have a link below this video along with my coupon code to save you some money at checkout. Let me know what you guys think of these door sill plates. Again, I really think they look awesome. My name is Evan. Until the next video guys, stay safe.